usually marinate my curry goat 48 hours prior to the date that I will be cooking my curry goat. You can marinate for as long as 7 days. Yes, you can marinate for 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. The longer it is you marinate your goat meat, the more delicious it is going to be. So today, I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients that I will be using in marinating my goat meat. Now, I have here goat meat with the skin on and bone in. You can choose to have your goat meat skinned. You can also choose to have the bones removed from your goat meat, but I'm preparing this for a client and he wants the goat bone, the goat skin on, and he wants to enjoy the succulent goat bone. So this is what I have here: goat meat, skin on, bone in. Now let's get on with the marinating and all the ingredients that I will be using in marinating this goat meat. So I pretty much have everything I need right here in front of me. So I'm going to start with my salt. Which is going to give it a lovely color. This is not smoked paprika, this is the regular paprika. So this will do. This is what it looks like. Now these are some of the ingredients that we are going to be using for today's cooking. I'm going to be starting with my already marinated curry goat. This is my already marinated curry goat. Okay, I'm bringing it out from the freezer. By the way, this is a 7-quart cast iron pot. And before I start, I'm going to be putting in approximately 100 ml of canola oil or vegetable oil. Remember, we already used some canola oil in the marinating of our curry goat some days ago. So because of that, I'll be mindful of the portion of oil that I want to use in searing these onions. You can see. I'm going to be zooming into the pot very soon so you all can see what's going on here. So I'm going to be frying my goat meat in this. So I need just a little bit of oil so the goat meat will be able to fry. I need to put in my goat meat. Remember I told you it has to brown evenly on both sides? Notice we're trying to get them all in equal portions so that way they cook evenly. Even heat distribution is very important when cooking. So we're done with the chopping of our potatoes. So this is what it looks like. And now we're just waiting for the right time to introduce it into the cooking pot. Taking it with our potatoes. And then we're going to top it with a bit of water so they cook evenly and further thicken our curry goat. Let's see. Woo! Perfect. Okay. This is perfect. We are done here. It is time for us to crush some of the potatoes to thicken our sauce. You can see how tender our goat meat is. Everything is perfect. Now remember, if you do not want to crush too much of your potatoes in order to thicken the sauce, you can just add a bit of what do you call it? A bit of corn starch. This is so nice. I'm tasting it for salt, spice, and everything. This is perfect. Now, last but not the least, we're going to be putting in a bit of tomato paste or tomato ketchup. Look at ketchup. This is the secret of Jamaican curry goat that people do not tell you. Now, the acidity in the tomato ketchup kind of balances out all that curriness and the flavor. It just brings about a balance in acidity. Okay? Now watch. I'm gonna be putting about a tablespoonful of the ketchup. I don't want to waste our time getting the spoon. Now this is about a tablespoonful, okay? You don't want to put too much because you don't want to spoil the taste. This is just to balance all that sweet and sour taste in our Jamaican curry. Don't forget this part. It is the most important part in this recipe. Importante. So we are ready. It is all ready to serve. Now you can put some yellow bell peppers, red, green bell peppers, whatever, to give it some coloring. You can also put some cringly cut carrots. This is also not necessary. This is my own invention. I always like veggies in my sauces, okay? So it is ready. I'm going to be turning up the heat because the heat in the pot should be enough in cooking the carrots. So this is it. We are done with the cooking. It's all ready. Now I'm going to put in a bit of parsley for garnish. And how does this look? Just look at this. Just negodu. My Igbo people will say, nah, negodu. Just negodu. Oh, how Nindi Jamaica, Nindi Patois. How do you like this? Just look at it. My Igbo people will say just negoduni. Negodofe. Nkawo Nindi Jamaica. Jamaican bobsleigh. Jamaican bobsleigh. There you go. Nigga, food is ready. So guys, we have come to the end of today's meal. So this is my Jamaican curry goat by Benedicta of Tastebudzng. Remember, we have this Jamaican curry goat in our Tastebudzng menu. So if you're visiting Lagos, Nigeria, and you would like Tastebudzng to take care of your cooking while you're here, contact our customer care and we will be more than happy to cook your meals. We've got over 100, I'm not joking, 100 different meals on our food menu. We cook different meals from different parts of the globe, plus our Nigerian special delicacies. So if you're visiting Lagos, Nigeria, contact Tastebudzng and our customer care will attend to you and feed you throughout your stay in Lagos City. So bye bye guys. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.